Before I got my shop put together, I needed some outdoor entertaining space, so I challenged myself. Use only one saw and cheap 2x4 lumber. Let's get into it. I started with the two leg/armrest frames. Using and only using the Kobalt compound sliding miter, I cut out 4 36-inch lengths, 4 33-inch lengths, and 4 23-inch lengths. Then I screwed two 23-inch boards perpendicular to the ends of two 36-inch boards to create the outer square frame. Word to the wise, lie these flat. No idea why I didn't. After that, I measured 12.5 inches up the inside of each leg and marked a line for the bottom of the 33-inch crossbeam that would hold the bench. Then screwed the crossbeam and the matching end cap into place. After that, I cut out the 9 6-foot bench boards and the 10 3-foot angled backrests. I cut the backrests at 15 degrees on either end to offer a loungier slope. Then I staged all the pieces before screwing the front and rear bench boards into place to ensure the rest of the connections were closer to square. After that, I simply spaced the interior bench boards appropriately and screwed them into place. So far, so good. To finish up the backrests, I screwed each staged piece into a single connecting crossbeam that would rest on the outer bench board/rail. I intentionally did not anchor these to the bench so they could slide freely along the rail to allow different seating setups. I added a second rail board to firm up the support, before adding a third support point to the center of the bench. With that structurally done, I turned to the stool/coffee table pieces, cutting two 15-inch boards at 15 degrees per leg base. Two 16.5-inch upper supports and one 24-inch lower support. Then, I went through the same process of screwing the angled legs into the upper and lower support pieces, this time thinking it through and doing it on the ground first. After that, I screwed in the second 16.5-inch piece as the bench edge caps, before connecting the leg sets with 4 24-inch bench boards. With the stools coming together, I used a 1-inch Forstner bit to cut small holes in the edge caps to make moving these pieces around a little bit easier. Then, all that was left to do was add a little finishing paint. And that's a wrap. Until next time.